Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today we're tackling the check engine light that frustrates so many car owners, a small EVAP leak. The EVAP system, evaporative emission control, captures fuel vapors from your gas tank, stopping them from polluting the air. If there's even a tiny leak like a loose gas cap or cracked hose, your car's computer senses it and triggers that dreaded check engine light. Ignoring it means you could fail emissions tests, risk registration problems, and add to air pollution, even if your car drives fine. But don't worry, most small EVAP leaks are easy to fix. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to find and repair the problem, step by step. The main sign of an EVAP problem, that check engine light. Your car might run perfectly but the light stays on, often for a small EVAP leak. Sometimes you'll notice a faint gasoline smell, especially near the gas cap or after parking. Use an OBD2 scanner to check the code. P0456 means a tiny leak, P0442 is a bit bigger, and P0455 is a large leak. These leaks rarely affect how your car drives, which can be confusing. That's why a scanner is so helpful. It tells you exactly what's wrong. Don't ignore the light. It's your car's way of helping you catch problems early. Check engine light on. Start with the gas cap. A loose or faulty cap is a common culprit. Tighten until you hear a click, ensuring a proper seal. If it was loose, the light may reset after driving. If the cap was tight, remove it and inspect the rubber seal for cracks or damage. Replace a damaged cap with the correct one for your vehicle. Still seeing the light? Plug in an OBD2 scanner. Confirm the code is P0456, indicating a small EVAP leak. If the code returns, a smoke test is needed. Rent a smoke machine or take it to a shop. The test introduces visible smoke into the EVAP system. Watch for escaping smoke to pinpoint the leak's location. Check rubber hoses, the charcoal canister, and valve connections. EVAP leaks are often small, like cracks in hoses or seals. Spotting smoke means you've found the leak. Smoke tests are the fastest way to find even tiny leaks. Once found, you're ready to repair the leak and turn off that check engine light. Got a P0456 code? The fix might be simple. First, replace the gas cap with a new one designed for your car. A worn gas cap can cause EVAP leaks. Tighten until you hear a click. This solves most P0456 codes. If the code persists, don't worry. Next, check the purge and vent valves. These often fail as cars age, becoming clogged or stuck. Swapping a faulty valve is straightforward. Disconnect the plug and hoses. Remove the old valve and install the new one securely. If you find a cracked hose, replace it. Use a new hose with the same diameter, cut it to the correct length, secure it tightly with clamps. These repairs are quick, cheap, and doable at home. Clear the code and enjoy your car running efficiently. After the repair, clear the check engine light. You can wait for the car's computer to reset after a few drive cycles or use your OBD2 scanner to erase the code instantly. If the light stays off after driving, you've fixed the problem. To prevent future leaks, always tighten your gas cap until it clicks after fueling. Once a year, inspect EVAP hoses and valve connections for cracks or loose plugs. A quick visual check during oil changes can catch problems early. Keeping the system sealed protects the environment and saves you from failed inspections. Most leaks are preventable with simple habits. Stay proactive and you'll avoid most EVAP headaches. Let's wrap up. And that's it, a complete guide to finding and fixing a small EVAP leak. You learned what the system does, how to spot symptoms, diagnose the problem, and make easy repairs. Most fixes are simple, a new gas cap, a hose, or a valve. Clearing the code and doing quick inspections keeps your car running right. You've got the skills to handle this. No more fear of that check engine light. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car fixes. Until next time, keep on wrenching.